Today I'm going to show you how to make this slime. It's glittery, and here's what you need. You're going to need some Elmer's glue, food coloring, a bowl, water, glitter, and borax. And something to stir with. So, you begin by taking the lid off of your Elmer's glue and pour it in your bottle, in your thing. Get out as much as you can. And pour in the water. And stir it up. And take your borax and add about half a cup, a spoon. And as you mix it up, it starts to create slime. Now is where you drain the water. If you have some leftover water, then you drain it. But I don't. I just have slime. Now, I'm going to take it out and sit it on something flat, like a Ziploc bag. Once you put it on, looks like this. I made a mess. And you squish it until it becomes slime. After you squish it, you let it sit for about 5 minutes. And wipe my hands. After you let it sit for about 5 minutes and you take it out of the bowl, it will look like this. The first time I did this and it did this, I thought it was a fail, but it wasn't. You squish it with your hands until you get the slime, and it starts to come off your hands. It looks like this now. Now I'm going to clean my bowl and add the glitter. I cleaned out the bowl as much as I can and picked up the slime. Drop it in the bowl. and add your glitter. I'm going to use these two. I got all this stuff from Dollar General. And I'm not going to use the fruit dye. That was optional, but I didn't use it. Take it out. And squish it. So that was how you make slime, and it's kind of a putty slime. And I learned how to do this from Karina Garcia. I don't know why I wouldn't call her Karina George. And it's fun to play with. Bye!